Ever wondered how Real Madrid jerseys are made? Let's explore every factory step.
It all begins with recycled polyester and sustainable materials for world-class performance.
Used plastic bottles are cleaned, shredded, and prepared for premium textile production. Recycled polyester melts into ultra-fine fibers using advanced industrial extrusion technology. The fibers stretch, strengthen, and become durable yarn for premium football jerseys. Most Real Madrid jerseys are manufactured inside highly automated factories across Asia.
Vietnam, Indonesia, and China produce the majority of Adidas football jerseys worldwide. Computerized knitting machines produce lightweight fabrics with exceptional airflow and flexibility. Every knitted loop improves durability, stretch, and moisture management during intense matches. Laser cutting ensures every jersey panel matches exact professional athlete measurements. Advanced sewing systems assemble every panel with remarkable precision and consistency. Authentic Real Madrid jerseys receive heat-sealed logos for lightweight player comfort. Replica Aero-ready jerseys feature beautifully embroidered crests designed especially for passionate fans. Premium editions include intricate pearl-inspired stitching for elegant finishing touches. Every jersey receives moisture-wicking treatment to keep players dry throughout demanding matches. Laboratory tests verify cooling technology during high-intensity football performance.
Stretch tests confirm lasting flexibility without losing the jersey's original shape. Repeated washing tests ensure colors remain vibrant season after season. Every jersey undergoes careful inspection before receiving final approval for shipment. Approved jerseys are folded, packaged, and prepared for worldwide distribution. Most jerseys travel by sea to reduce transportation costs across global markets.
Distribution centers efficiently deliver jerseys to stores and online customers worldwide.
Fans finally discover the latest jerseys inside official Real Madrid stores everywhere.
Elite athletes trust these jerseys for lightweight comfort and peak performance every match.
Every detail reflects innovation, precision engineering, and exceptional manufacturing quality. From recycled plastic to iconic jersey, every step showcases advanced industrial excellence.
Subscribe for more factory videos revealing how the world's greatest products are made.